We founded Michigan Tool Works in 2006. We started off doing a little bit of everything, and people wanted us to start doing injection molding. So we have Michigan Plastics Works as our partner company with Michigan Tool Works.
We were able to combine all the shops together and put a one-stop shop, which gives us the unique ability to be able to build the tools and run the tools in the same location. With our skill level, we are able to help customers that have problems, and we are able to keep them interacting with their project so they know where it's at. They makes them feel like they're part of it. We give a great product at a good price.
Every customer is unique. Every project that we work on needs a little personal touch to get it to the finish line. Everybody thinks that you just end up with a plastic part, but there's a lot that goes into it. It's a lot of design. It's a lot of thought process to help the customer develop the part that they want, because my slogan is, I can't sell what I can't guarantee. And that's what I live by here.